Hello everyone, and today we're trying to tell the difference between the words manse, manor, and mansion. All these words are nouns and they refer to different types of houses or residences. And let's try to figure out the difference between them. Manse. Manse is a house or a residence of a clergyman provided by a church. For example, it is usually a medium-sized house with some parcels of land attached to it. It can be gardens, orchards, etc., and maybe some small buildings. And when we talk about manses, it usually refers to some Christian denominations, and it can be referred to the Protestant denominations like Baptists, Methodists, or Presbyterians. Now, manor. Manor is a large, huge house usually during the medieval times, like in medieval Europe, that a king, for example, can bestow to his loyals, like nobles, knights, feudal lords, etc. So it is a huge house with a lot of land, big parcels of land, big farming buildings, etc., and so on. So you can say that it is a residence of a feudal lord, for example, to put it simply. And a mansion. Mansion, it is just a big, glam, luxurious, you can say pompous house that own most of the celebs, rich men, magnates, tycoons, and so on. So it is usually referred just to the house itself, not the land around it, like it was in like I just said before about Manse and Manor. It is just about the house itself and its pomposity. And that's all the difference. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.